Okay, it's a little dark, but I'll see what I can do to enhance the video when I edit this. So what you're going to see in the next clip, we're getting ready for an event called Hitch Pass. So basically, it's a demolition derby on an oval track. Some people call it Crash to Pass. We call it Hitch Pass. I'll post videos of it. We're racing next weekend, so I'll post videos after the weekend. The orange truck that you'll see in the next clip is not my normal vehicle, but I'm going to be running this one for the weekend because unfortunately my engine seized up on me, so I don't have a car this year. So I'm jumping in one of my teammates' cars. He can't make it due to a family thing, so I'm going to run his truck for him. But last year the frame was bent pretty bad. The truck's been through hell and back. It says it's 4th year or 5th year, I believe. It's gone through a wall. You'll see it. It's pretty rough. So this is probably its last show. So I'm gonna take it out for one last run and put the hurt on some people and take some cars out. But we had to bend the frame, and we weren't sure how we were gonna do that. So thankfully, one of our sponsors is a tow truck company, and one of my best friends drives for them. So I made a quick phone call, and he brought the truck out, and well, I'll let the next clip do the talking, and you can see what we did. Oh yeah, it's off the ground. Did it? Sweet.
What are you thinking now?
I got some little blocks. We can move those big blocks forward. And we put the little fucking 4x4s I got, so we got that transmission.
Oh, okay.
Because that way we're a little closer to the front. We don't have as much.
Yeah, don't break the e-brake cable. We need that. And don't scratch it either, please. I want this thing to look good when I get in it. Showroom condition.
Don't worry, it'll look good until you get it.
I want it showroom condition, Wickham.
That's what's going to make it ugly. Driver.
Yeah, we all know that.
I got a helmet on. You can't see me.
I can still see you.
Yeah, they say you can't see ugly in the dark.
Light makes a difference.
Yeah.
Oh, something popped.
Oh yeah, there we go. Oh yeah. Pull it out tight. Oh yeah. Fuck, that's almost running shit. That hoop came out like that far off the firewall. Yeah, I'll look at the distributor now. Yeah.
Yeah, you actually got gap there now.
Jeez, we don't have to cut and box it now.
Oh, we probably might still, depending on how we weld that frame up.
It's still, oh, that's clearing now too.
Of course, they run the whole front end down.
Yeah.
It's almost straight again.
This down closed here was right up to you.
Yeah, it was right up
It was
against,
right up to
yeah.
the firewall. Hey, the tower was coming. Now it's back down again.
Perfect. Everything's lining back up.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
You want to go more?
We could probably go another 2 or 3 inches down.
Oh, you want it going like this?
You know what? I'd rather go like that. Because then we have more room for it to go back up.
2 or 3 inches faster than water. There we go.
Right there should be good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That just gets like this and then you're how do we pull this one down?
Wrap forward now?
Yeah.
This twisted or you want to grab up here?
I I would see if you can put the winch on that. Just,
Or do you just want to put a cable?
gave up on.
Wickham doesn't like pulling cables, so.
I just know when I start pulling on that truck can't move.
Yeah.
Oh, I see what he's doing.
Yeah. Blocking it up.
Yeah.
Look at this guy. So fucking athletic. Wickham, did you lose about 20 pounds when you went back to towing? I think you were a little heavier when we did the lights.
Huh?
We should be able to work with that.
Yep.
Yeah, well now it's completely broke free, so now we can
Suck it down and start riding again. Yeah, still got room.
oh yeah. Fuck that
We just gotta lift her up and pull the blocks again. Oh, here. You're fine tuning.
And this is why we call Wickham.
What are you doing this weekend?
It's almost right back in place, actually.
Nice.
Yeah, it won't take much to a couple twats with the hammer.
Yeah.
and just
Smack it with the hammer and we should get.
Yeah.
shim it a little bit, weld the shit out of it.
That's how we do that.